Today we will learn to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle, and the difference of the other two sides. Okay, so in this we will understand this construction by a question. We will construct this question. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeter. So as you notice, QR is equal to 6 centimeter is its given base, and angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree is a base angle, and PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter is the difference of the other two sides. Okay, and now to take your ruler, first we will construct the base, which is of 6 centimeter. QR, basis QR of 6 centimeter. Now take your compass with any radius, draw an arc. We are making an angle of 60 degree right now, which is the given base angle, and then keep your compass at point A, and intersect the previous arc, and this is the this angle is 60 degree, angle Q. We will make a ray, and we can mark this point as X. QX is a ray. And now as you notice, PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. It is the given difference. So we will take our ruler and we'll keep the ruler on Q, and we'll see where 2 comes, and at this point Q comes. So we will mark this point as B. Okay, and then our next step is to join BR. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BR. Okay, take your compass, and the radius should be more than half BR. Okay, so this radius is more than half BR, and keep your compass at point B and make an arc the upward direction. Then keep your compass at point, let the radius be a little small, more than half AB, half BR. This will be fine, and make a arc here and here, and same in the downward direction also, here and here. The arcs are and then draw a line through these arcs. You can name this point as P and this as Q, or let it be Z, and then let this point be P. This point can be Y, and then our last step is to join PR. Our last step is to join PR. So triangle PQR is the required triangle. Now we will take an explanation for the concept that PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter. So as you can see that P lies on the perpendicular bisector of BR. P lies on the perpendicular bisector of BR. This means that PB is equal to PR. That PB is equal to BR. And QB is equal to PQ minus PB, which is equal to AB minus AC. I mean PQ minus PB is equal to PQ or QB is equal to PQ minus PR. Why? Because this is from 1. PQ minus PR. So as you can see, PR minus PQ, the difference of two sides, PQ minus PR. Okay, so now triangle PQR is the required triangle. Hope it was clear. Today we learned to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle, and the difference of the other two sides. Thank you.